how to assemble said derma roller. So when you take this on, you're gonna pop this thing open. You have the vial, and we have the derma roller head. So you've taken this out of the plastic, out of its sanitary plastic. You've taken this out, you're going to now snap on. So you actually have to push down, and that one push will actually cause some serum to come out of the top. It's now attached. If you don't push hard enough, this will not latch properly onto the bottle. This just pulls right on off like this. So it pulls off and it snaps back on. People were afraid it wasn't working, and once you pull one off one time, it actually will loosen up. Every time after you use this product, you want to snap this back on to keep it clean. You also do want to alcohol it after every time you use it, and go to the instructions on the QR code by scanning the QR code to use this product. Thank you so much.